Assalamualaikum students, this is your maths teacher here. I welcome you to your online class of subject maths. Today we are recalling the topics of 5th lesson working till 20, and the topics are subtraction using a number strip, subtraction using a number line, add or subtract using an abacus, and add or subtract. Let's start. Subtraction using a number strip. See, this is the number strip. Children, always remember in the subtraction we will go to our left hand side or backward side. Okay. Now we have to subtract 6 from 15. 6 from 15. So what we have here? 15. So put mark on 15. And next, how many you have to subtract from 15? 6. Now you have to take 6 backward moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after taking 6 backward moves, we are reaching at number 9. So this is our answer. 15 minus 6 is equals to 9. Now see here we have to subtract 13 from 17. We have to subtract 13 from 17. So first put mark on 17 and then take 13 backward moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. After 13 backward moves, we are reaching at 4. This means 17 minus 13 is equals to 4. Okay. Next, subtraction using a number line. Let's do it now. Here we have to subtract 4 from 16. So first put mark on number 16 and then take 4 backward jumps. 4 backward jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. After taking 4 backward jumps, we are reaching at number 12. So 16 minus 4 is how much? 12. Okay. Now we have to do this subtraction on abacus. Okay now. First we have the number 14. 4 on ones place and 1 on tens. So draw 4 beads on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 on tens place. So we got 14. How many we have to subtract? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have left 1 10 and 1 ones. 14 minus 3 is how much? 11. Similarly, here we have 16 minus 5. Now see, 1 on tens place and 6 on ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many you have to subtract? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many we have left now? 1 on tens place and also 1 on ones place. Okay. Now look at this addition. 1 on tens place and 0 on ones place. And also we have this ones. So all together we have 1 10 and 1 ones. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Now see here, 1 on tens place and 0 on ones place. 0 is having no value. And also we have 8 on ones place. So draw it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Altogether how many we have? 110. And how many ones we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 10 plus 8 is how much? 18. 10 plus 8 is how much? 18. Now we have to read the question and we have to find whether we have to do addition or subtraction. There are 12 pencils in a box. 4 more pencils are added to it. See, in the question itself we got addition. How many pencils are there in the box? Will there be more than 12 or less than 12? More than 12. Why? Because we have to add 4 more pencils to 12. So 12 plus 4 is 16. Now there were 10 books on the table. Out of those, 3 books were taken away. Taken away. What is taken away? Taken away is nothing but subtraction. How many books are left on the table now? Will there be more than 10 or less than 10? Less than 10, because subtraction means we are taking away. So we will get less than 10 books. 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. Rita has 7 pens. Sita has 3 pens. Geeta has 4 pens. Together means addition. Together they have 14 pens. Thank you, students. Be ready for the next class.